Polar Plunge 2014!
With a check for $50,000.
You have helped raise $1,100,000.
Thank y'all for coming out, taking action, and getting results for the Special Olympics.
Yeah!
Where's the cup?
Really cold.
Doing this all for a good cause. Awesome! Let's go! Oh yeah, that was cold.
This is my first one.
How was it?
It was awesome, an awesome experience.
It means a lot to our family. My brother-in-law has Down syndrome and he's involved in the Special Olympics, and they do a lot of programs, great programs, sporting events and things. So, you know, it's a personal thing. So it's it's just great to be able to get out here and do something like this.
Taking action, baby! It is just great to see the kids, to see all the Special Olympians and to support them.
That's what it's all about.
Polar Plunge, Special Call, Special Olympics. Had a great time, baby. I love it.